All right, part 3, gripping this bad boy. All right, this is actually, a lot of people enjoy doing this. This isn't my favorite step for sure. First things first, feel your grip. Make sure it's even on your board. Ooh. Again, from the middle out, just like the rails. Kind of pushing all the air bubbles out as you go. Some people take their truck and wheel, rub it on. This has been my go-to since I've learned how to do it. Rub it all up. Make sure you get all the bubbles out. You'll hear them popping as they get out. All right, and then take your trusty skate tool. And you want to it'll look white around the edges. And very carefully, you take a razor blade. Grips over the past year. All right, so once you have your board cut out, you want to take your grip, give it a little fold like so. So you have a little sanding pad. You want to go around all your edges.
Just like that, your board is gripped. Now some.
Alright, so I had to run grab some scissors. So I cut around the sticker.
Like so.
And then you figure out where you want it on your board. I always like to keep mine more towards the tail. You center it. And then I go with the back of the razor blade. And just kind of mark it.
Like so. Done.
And your sticker should fit nicely in that little circle, which it will. Make sure you get all the bits and pieces out. Peel your sticker. which is a little harder to do once you cut it out nice. Make it nice and centered.